Hi guys, a new airdrop opportunity just dropped and it's from GenLayer, one of the most talked about projects in the Ethereum ecosystem right now. And as you can see, it has raised $7.5 million funding that we will talk about, and backed by huge VC money, and you could be early enough to catch this before it blows up like GenLayer. Okay, GenLayer was one of the most successful ones. Let me show you how to position yourself for a potentially massive airdrop. Today's video is all about GenLayer's upcoming airdrop, what it is, who is backing it, and exactly what the steps you need to take right now to qualify. If you have been farming GenLayer, Celestia, or Starknet, this is your next big airdrop target. GenLayer is a restaking and modular security protocol built on Ethereum, and think of it like GenLayer but with a new design focused on decentralized security and the scalability of new blockchains and dApps. Why should you care? Because early adopters of projects like this often get massive airdrops, and this one has a new role for the early adopters that I will tell you so you don't miss it. Remember Arbitrum, GenLayer, some users made thousands of dollars just by being early. This is not just another DeFi farming tool. GenLayer has already raised over $7.5 million in funding, and some say $20 million. And the backers, okay, there are really great backers for this project, like Polychain Capital, Coinbase Ventures, Paradigm, and some others. So it's important because when a project has deep pockets, the airdrop rewards for early users are usually massive. They want to attract loyal users, and you can be one of them. So let's see how you can qualify for this airdrop. So you can sign up for early access here in their website, genlayer.com, first name, last name, email, and then you will select if you are a developer or a user or validator, and then you can submit your information for early access sign up. And they have some tasks on Galaxy. If you wanna get the early Voyager role, okay, I recommend you to get this role. There will be some other roles too, but this one is really important because about early Voyager role, okay, you should do at least one of these 3 tasks, including Gitcoin passport score. Okay, you should get at least scoring 6, and Galaxy passport score at least you should have the passport version 2 holders, or I think this is the most simple one if you want to do, okay, overall score of half, okay. If you want, you can do this one, Galaxy Web3 score, okay, and after you have gotten your score, just come here and put this, okay. You can update your task, okay, and then it turns to green. I think you are going to pay a little bit, about $3 or $4 for this one, and then you can do these free tasks, okay, they are free. And if you don't wanna pay anything, okay, you can just wait for the new updates and new roles for this one. But early Voyager, okay, this is really time limited. If you wanna get this, you should act fast. So, if you are serious about catching the next big airdrop wave, GenLayer is your next mission. Get started today, all links are in the description, and hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more early airdrop alpha, and comment below. Are you farming GenLayer or still watching from the sidelines? I'll be updating you if any official airdrop announcement drops. Stay tuned and bye bye.